So start with 6-1 and 6-2. Any questions on either of these?
Did we have to do this?
Did you have to do this? I mean, you have a test. Do you want to review for your test?
No.
Did you have to submit it? No.
Yeah.
No.
Are they equal?
Yeah.
Are they going to be sometimes always never questions on the test as well?
There is not sometimes always never questions on the test. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there any proofs or?
There's no proofs.
Oh wait, is there that
Mark, she said that 8 times.
Push. Was there that one perpendicular bicycle question?
You could see the one that was on your quiz. You could see that one again.
Is there going to be that again?
There's going to be. You could see that again. I'll say the same answer I said before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you want it, once we're done with this, if you take out your quizzes, I'll go over your quizzes. Yeah. Which I can do that question from your quiz. Any questions on 6-1 or 6-2 though before I move on to the next slide? Okay. 6-3, 6-4. So 6-3 was the medians and the altitudes. That's where your quiz stopped, was at 6-3. And then 6-4, we added the mid-segment theorem. Question on either of those. All right. Then 6-5, we didn't do the indirect proof part, but you did the inequalities with one triangle. And then the inequalities with two triangles. Good? Oh, I'm so excited for you to take this test tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, so let's look at your quiz. So 6-1,
and then obviously we added the
6-3
mid-segment, and then
quiz.
we added the inequality stuff. There is an
If you give me
assignment.
your 2 points.
That's
then I
the
can look.
extra.
Okay. I also published this. It's again not graded. You get to turn it in I would say you need to figure out how much you need to do. If you already did the review from the weekend and you're feeling pretty confident on it, then I would say then this is not bad. This is 15 questions. You could do this just to reassure yourself a little bit more. Either review the Quizlet with all the vocab stuff and the theorems. And if you didn't do the review in its entirety, obviously you have some work to do this evening because you need to do that stuff. Okay, they are going to get mixed in like this where it's not like it's necessarily in order like the chapter review was. So be prepared to them being shuffled around. Okay, and then again, you're going to get some that are you need to know the vocab terminology. I need to know what an orth center is in order to answer that. Those would be specific kind of segments based on what those names are. Yeah. So if it said that the point B is the ortho center, you would need to know that means that those are altitudes, exactly. If it said the in centers or whatever it is that it says, and maybe that's the name it gives you in the directions instead of giving you a diagram with them all drawn, you'd have to just know what that means. Yeah, and then there's the easy stuff, put the sides in order, put the angles in order, just pay attention to least to greatest or greatest to least. There will be stuff like that. What's the possible third length where it's got to be greater than the difference but less than the sum? That kind of stuff you're definitely going to see. Mars, what was your question? Okay.